How to check Windows activation status in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to find out whether your copy of Windows is activated. First, click the Start button and open the Settings app. From there, click on System in the left sidebar. After that, scroll down and click on Activation on the right side of the screen. At this point, you'll see your activation status displayed at the top of the page. If it says Active, your copy of Windows is fully activated and linked to your Microsoft account or a valid license key. If it says Not Active, you'll see an error code underneath, along with options to troubleshoot or enter a product key to activate it. From here, if you want to activate Windows, click Open Store under the Activation section to purchase a license directly, or click Change Product Key if you already have one and enter it there. Following this, once a valid key is entered, Windows will verify it and activate automatically without needing a restart. That's how you check your Windows activation status. If this was helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you catch every upload. See you then!